Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 39. So here it is. Let's read the story. A girl as beautiful as you, it doesn't need to work hard. Sooner or later, you will be get married. So while you are young, you can accumulate some capital for yourself. A beautiful car goes with a beautiful woman. As long as you want, I can buy you a car, a house, whatever. But it comes sense to her mind. She shall. Do you think luxury car represent everything? Now, looking at it, she looks really angry. She heard and remember on everything happened on the fast. Suddenly, she want to go away. But Sian, right now, is trying to coax her again. Lu Shishao seems to be persistent. Said to Sian, "Teacher, I think you looks like an of you rich." Looking at Lu Shishao, she looks really angry. Well, technically, Sian, she was really rich. She really don't want to tell her, but she has some reason for it. Lu Shishao at the moment is feel different. Sian said these things to her. Right now, Sian, she was really blushing. Although she know to herself she was too bad, and she should not said that Lu Shishao on that moment. But it's been too late. Lu Shishao heard everything, and it makes sense to her. That's why she really get angry. But Sian, trying to defend herself, trying to convince her that the thing is only misunderstanding. This is not the real reason. That's why she said that to Lu Shishao. Sian said to her, "But I didn't mean that." Well, for now, she's trying to set her parts. But for Lu Shishao, seems that she was hesitating also. Lu Shishao, now she become muted. She want to tell her more. But since it was Sian, she really gets shy to her. At this moment, instead going out of the car. Now Lu Shishao finally decided that she will stay at the car. Sian, she looks really worried. Lu Shishao want to open the door. She is asking her softly. For Sian, she was only looking at her. For Lu Shishao, trying to go out, but Sian said to her, "Let's go back together." Lu Shishao has been struggling. Lu Shishao said to her, "Thank you, no need." Well, she really got mad to her. Sian, for the last time, don't go. Now, she's holding her tight. "No, I said something inappropriate and offended you. Your friends, I did something wrong, and I'm really sorry for it." Sian, she trying to appeal herself, said to Lu Shishao, "Let's go back together, okay?" For the first place, she really don't mean to hurt her. Also, by hurting her, Lu Shishao, she can do anything. Right now, of course, she cannot reject Sian, purse her lips, and finally, be able to pull down the buckles again. Now, Sian seems to be calm at the moment. From time to time, Sian is looking at Lu Shishao. Now, she feel relief. Lu Shishao, she diverted her sight outside the window, and now she was thinking, clearly know to herself that Sian was talking unintentionally. But why I'm still angry? Well, her anger maybe is kinda love for her. Now, she really feels embarrassed. It is because of Sian. That's why right now she feel embarrassed. Well, Lu Shishao, of course, she cannot admit to herself she really likes Sian. Now, they finally reach the ninth floor. The residential building. The two of them. Elevator sting. They reach the ninth floor. Looking at the two of them, they really feel awkward. Especially for Lu Shishao. Now, they're not talking on each other. Until the doors open, the two of them become civil. Well, for Lu Shishao, the two of them still sizing each other. Who is the one who feel sorry about what happened? Both of them feels awkward. Unison, two of them suddenly said goodnight. Well, it was really awkward, right? This girl, they both really shy together. Still, they are muted, separated, no one is talking about them. But when Lu Shishao entered the house, right now she was thinking, did I just overact? But Xian, that's why she feel angry. Well, maybe she was right. You want to say something to Xian? Right now, looking at Lu Wei. Now she's speaking. Lu Shishao whereabouts. Right now, Lu Shishao suddenly feels surprised. Turns out it was Lu Wei. Come inside and want to see her. Talk to her about something. Shishao, since she was really surprised by the presence of Lu Wei. Now Lu Wei, she is really kind and happy. Lu Wei said to her, Miss Lu, you are so timid. Now Lu Wei is teasing her so much. Lu Wei, you're so rude. Shishao said to Lu Wei, Mom, our school will have a New Year's party. Tomorrow, I have show to perform. You go and see me. Looking at this kid, she looks really cute. Tomorrow is a working day. Perform, it would be a pity to miss it. Just go once please. Lu Wei, it's like she was begging. Pay attention towards her. Teacher C promised me. Oh, this is not good. Said the names Teacher C. Now, Lu Shishao, she was really aware of that name. If you go, she will save you a seat in the first row. Lu Wei said to her mom, but it was not right. Shishao suddenly got angry. Serve a seat? Did you mention it to Teacher C? Now, it seems that Lu Wei, she was now in trouble. Well, she really did conspire. Xian, and right now, want to admit it. On the other hand, Lu Shishao, what did I tell you last time? Keep a distance from Teacher C at school. Now, Lu Wei, she's been scolded by Lu Shishao. She belongs to all your classmates, not only your teacher. Now, Lu Shishao, she really gets angry because Lu Wei, she really didn't understand even situation that Xian might encounter. If others find out, have you ever thought about the consequence Teacher C will bear? Now, she's been crying, shed tears of grievance. Lu Wei said to her mom, Sorry mom, she will never do that again. But Lu Shishao seems to be worried of Lu Wei. Lu Wei, she was really crying right now because she didn't expect she will get scolded. Well, let's hope Shishao will forgive her daughter. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!